Abdul, go ahead.
My name is Hamid. Hello.
Hamid. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Sri Lanka. All right. Next one. Quickly, who is the next? Idris. Yes, tell me quickly. So total how many people? 13 people are here, right? So I've spoken to Arva, Asif, and then Martin. Who else?
Yeah, ma'am. Hello. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, I'm Asif Imdas from Sri Lanka.
Okay, all right, Asif. I've spoken to Rahul as well. Akash. Okay, so can you see the screen? The screen is visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, sound is not clear, ma'am.
Is the voice still not clear?
Sound is not clear.
Okay, wait a second. Just let me check it again. Is it better now?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay. So in today's session, we are going to see what type of exam you're going to write. All right. So let's begin with the strategy session. Okay. So what do you know about the exam pattern? Anyone? Can anyone tell me total number of questions in the exam?
Ma'am, I have no idea.
Okay. So I'll start with that first. Okay. So the total time is 90 minutes. All right. So you'll get 90 minutes, and in verbal reasoning, you will have 40 questions of 40 marks. Quantitative aptitude, 25 questions of 25 marks. Logical reasoning, 25 questions of 25 marks. So in today's session, we are going to take care of these two sections, logical reasoning and quantitative aptitude. Okay. So we'll see what all different type of topics are there and what type of question you will get in the exam, right? Okay. So tell me, look it into this topics and tell me if you know any of it, anything about it. Have you studied this earlier?
Yes, ma'am. In lower classes, we did.
Okay. So in what topic you have studied? I think you know basic of number system. I think all of you know basics of number system, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Different type of numbers, natural number, whole number, right?
No.
Even number, odd number, these type of questions. Okay. I hope you know little bit of LCM and HCF as well,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the full form of HCF?
lower
Highest common
common
factor, ma'am.
Yes, correct. HCF is highest common factor, and somebody just said the full form of LCM. That is
Lowest
also
factor, multiplication.
lowest common multiple. Okay, so we'll understand this as well. Okay, do you know what is percentage?
Percentage means 100.
Correct, 100. So you calculate percentage of anything, right? So if I say, mm, 50% of 100. So what does it mean? 50% of 100?
50 by 100 into 50, 50.
Okay. But if I want to think in terms of fraction, can I think in terms of fraction?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is 50%?
50 by
50
100.
by 100.
Yes, 50 by 100. If I cancel it, what will I get?
50.
No, 50 by 100. If I divide, if I simply do this, if I want to cancel it, I will get 1 by 2. Correct? So can I say that 50% is equal to half of anything? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So whenever I say calculate 50% of a number, so immediately it should strike to your mind that I am talking about half of it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So let's say if I ask you 50% of 48. 50% of 48. So think
20.
half of 48. Half of 48 is
24.
24, correct. So we will study all this topic and we will make sure that each question, you don't have to necessarily do it in this manner. See, I can simply do 50 divided by 100 into 100, but it is a lengthy process, correct? The number is easy here, but if I give you a complicated number over there, then it becomes difficult to do manually. So you should be able to think the question in the right manner, correct? So when I say 50%, you should not think that 50 upon 100 into something. You should immediately think that half of something, right? So we will work on speed because this exam is a lot about speed, okay? Okay, what other topics you know from these written topics?
Profit and loss.
Profit and loss. So profit and loss is all about?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. So do you know what is cost price?
Uh,
What is cost price?
What, ma'am? I'm not listening, ma'am.
Sorry,
What you want?
I'm asking what is cost price?
Cost rate.
Cost price is the price at which you buy something. Correct? So that is your cost price. So if I went to market and I purchase a pen that is of 100 rupees, so 100 rupees is my cost price,
Yes, ma'am.
right? And let's say if I sell that pen to a person for 120 rupees, so what is happening over here?
Selling price.
That is selling price, correct? And what is the transaction? I am buying in 100 and selling it for 120. So what is happening here?
I have profit.
Profit, correct. Profit of 20 rupees, correct? I bought in 100 rupees and I sold in 120 rupees. So I made a profit of 20 rupees, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's say I buy something of 1000 rupees and sell it for 800 rupees.
There's a loss.
There's a loss. Loss of how much?
20%.
200 rupees, right? So we will look into profit and loss in detail. Okay. Do you know what is time, speed, and distance?
Yeah.
So what is it about?
Time in second.
Sorry?
Speed is distance by time.
So distance by time, right? Okay. So we'll look into each of this topic in detail, but today we are just generally talking about the paper pattern. All right. So total 90 minutes will be given to you to finish this exam. There will be 40 questions in verbal reasoning. There will be 25 questions in quantitative aptitude, and there will be 25 questions in logical reasoning. Okay. Okay. So let's look into the quantitative aptitude. So from arithmetic, you will get 13 questions. Okay, time, speed, distance, approximately 3 questions. Time and work, 3 questions. Percentage, 2 questions. Simple interest and compound interest. We'll talk about this as well in 2 questions. Numbers, 2 questions. Okay, and clocks and calendars, you will have 2 questions. Equation. Now there are 2 type of equation. Wait, I'll show you. So when I talk about equations, there are 2 type of equation, linear equation and quadratic equation. Do you know the difference between linear equation and quadratic equation?
No.
Tell me,
Yes.
think.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, tell me.
For a linear equation, the power of x is 1, and for quadratic
Correct.
is for the quadratic equation, the power of x is from 2.
Correct. So in linear equation, all the variables have maximum power 1. Correct. So even if it is a long equation, x plus 2i plus z is equals to something, but all the variables have maximum power 1. In quadratic equation, the variables maximum power will be 2, right? So x square plus 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. So I will say it is a quadratic equation. Okay. What do you know about averages? Any idea what is average?
Can I speak?
Total
Yes.
amount by number of amounts.
Correct. Total number of items, total of that, sorry, total of the all the variables or all the observation divided by number of observation. That is average. All right. Okay. Do you know basics of geometry? So in geometry, you need a lot of formulas to remember, right? For example, what is this area of a square? What is area of square?
Is x square. X into x.
A into A or side into side, I can see. Correct. What is the area of rectangle?
L into B.
A into B.
L into B. And if I ask you what is the perimeter of rectangle?
2L plus
Times.
B.
Perimeter will be 2 bracket L
L
plus
plus B.
Plus B.
Correct. Absolutely correct. So in geometry, we will look into all the formulas like this. For square, for rectangle, for circle, rhombus, right? All these type of diagrams. Okay. What do you mean by partnership?
No idea.
2 or 3 people like combine together and they write a like a contract, like they'll share their profits,
Business.
losses
Correct,
equally.
correct. Right, absolutely right. So when 2 or more number of people start a business together and they do some investments, right? Let's say 3 people, ABC, each of them invested equal amount, okay, in a business. So that thing will call a partnership. Now in partnership, the investment can be equal or can be unequal as well. It is possible that one person investing more and another person is investing less, but then profit will be divided in that ratio. Getting it? So the
Yes, ma'am.
person who is investing more will get more profit share. The person who is investing less will get less profit share. Okay, so when we will study partnership, we will talk about ratios in detail. Okay, because without learning ratios, you will not be able to learn partnership. So for partnership, ratio and proportion has to be done. All right, so this is ratio and proportion. Okay, what is progression? Do you know what is progression?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll explain what is progression. So progression can be of, wait a minute, I will insert a new slide here. So there can be different type of progression. One can be arithmetic progression or geometric progression. Okay, now see, in arithmetic progression, the number increase by a constant value adding to it. So for example, if I write 2, I add 2 to it, 4, I added 2 to it, 6, 8, 10, 12. So I can say that this series is in arithmetic progression. Got it? So in arithmetic progression, the number is increased by a constant number by adding to it, right? Is this
Yes.
clear? Arithmetic progression? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Geometric progression, in this you're doing addition or subtraction. So I can say 50 minus 347 minus 344 minus 341 and so on. So each number is decreased by 3, right?
Yes.
So this is also an arithmetic progression. This is also an example of arithmetic progression. A constant number is added or a constant number is subtracted. Geometric progression is whereas whether you multiply or you divide. So for example, if I write 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, 8 multiplied by 2 is 16, 32, and so on. So this is called geometric progression. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So let's say if I write 91, wait a minute, not 91, let's say 81, 81 divided by 3.
27.
81 divided by 3.
27.
27. 27 divided by 3. 9. 9 divided by 3. 3.
3.
Divided by 3. 1. So this is geometric progression. So do you understand the difference between arithmetic progression and geometric progression?
Yes.
All right. So these are the two type of progression we have to study. Okay, so averages, linear equation, quadratic equation, geometry, LCM, HCF, number system, partnership, percentage, progression, arithmetic progression. Sorry, you're saying anything? Okay, so yes, these are all the topics we are going to cover in quantitative aptitude. In logical reasoning, sitting arrangement. Okay, so what type of question can come in sitting arrangement? Let me tell you. Someone's mic is unmuted. Please mute yourself. Okay, so please mute yourself. Someone's mic is unmuted. All right. Still I can hear noises. Wait a minute. Who is this person? Please mute yourself. Guys, please mute yourself. Okay, so yes, I was talking about sitting arrangement. Okay, let me give you a very simple question of sitting arrangement. Okay, so the question is A, B, C, D, and E. These are 5 people. They are sitting on a bench. Okay, A, B, C, D, E. 5 persons are there. They are sitting on a bench. Okay, now what is given to you data? A is sitting next to B. First statement. C is sitting next to D. Okay. D is not sitting with E who is on the left end of the bench and C is on the second position from the right.
B.
Okay. And what else is given to me? A is to the right of B and E. And what else is given to me? A and C are sitting together. Okay. So now you have to arrange this 5 people on a straight line. Try to do that. Someone mic is still unmuted. Yes, try to do this question. A, B, C, D, E are sitting on a bench. A is sitting next to B. C is sitting next to D. D is not sitting with E, who is on the left end of the bench. C is on the second position from right. A is to the right of B and E, and A and C are sitting together. Okay, do this question. So 5 people are sitting. First of all, make 5 positions like this, right? Now, one thing is given to me in the question that D is sitting on the left end of the bench. Sorry, E is sitting, E who is on the left end of the bench. So it means E will be on this side. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. So E's position is fixed. Now tell me, what should I do?
C.
C and D sits next to each. C is sitting next to D. So it means it can be C or D, or it can be D or C. Correct? Together. Next. A and B also together. So it can be A or B, or B or A. And the last one, A and C sitting together means it can be A and C, or C and A. Right? Now read
Yes,
this line. This line is very important. This line will give us data to put over there. C is on the second position from right. So from right side, this side, C's second position. What is the second position?
Second last, C.
Fourth.
Yes, correct. So you got value for C. Okay. And we know that A and C sitting together. Correct?
Yeah.
So here it can be A, or here it can be A. Okay.
Third.
What else is given to me?
Middle.
A will be in the middle. Perfect. Right? Where will be B? Tell me B.
After B. Between E and A.
Between E and A. Very good. B will be here. And what is the where I will put D?
Last.
Last. Correct? So this type of question you will get in sitting arrangement. Right? So this type of arrangement is called straight line arrangement. Wait, I'll show it. Tell you. So sitting arrangements can be of 3 types. One is linear sitting arrangement. Just now the question we did, that was linear. So everyone is sitting in one single row, right? Second one, it can be circular as well. So on circular, what type of question you will get? They will give you that there is a circular table. There are 6 chairs like this facing each other. And on this, they will give you data like A, B, C, D, E, F are 6 people. A is sitting opposite to D. So it means A is here opposite to D, like this, right? So this type of questions are called circular arrangement, right? Is it clear what type of question you will get in sitting arrangements?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is blood relation. Next is blood relation. This is very easy and very important topic as well. Okay, let me show you example of blood relation. Okay. Question is, if A is brother of B, B is sister of C, C is father of B, then question is, how is D related to A? So options are, your first option is brother, your second option is sister, your third option is nephew, your fourth option is cannot be.
Ma'am, nephew.
Sure about it?
Not sure.
Think. Give it a time. Think. A is brother.
It is nephew. Nephew.
Okay, wait a minute. Now, whenever you do blood relation equation, the gender identity is important. Okay, so you need to find whether the person is male or female. Okay, so when I say A is brother of B, what is gender of A? What is gender of A?
Male.
Male,
Brother.
right? Because in the question they have mentioned that A is brother of B. So it means A is male and he is brother of B, right? So it can be brother sister now, or it can be brother as well. Only by reading this statement, reading the entire question now. I am just reading the first statement. So the first statement is saying that A is brother of B. Now you know the gender of A, but do you know the gender of B by this statement? Tell me. Only by this statement do you know the gender of B?
Female.
No, by the first statement, I cannot tell what is the gender of B, right? When I read the second statement, then only. This is my first statement. This is second statement. This is third statement. So if I read first statement alone, I cannot tell the gender of B, right? Yes or no? Okay. So from first statement, I got to know gender of A is male and he is brother of B. Now read the second statement. What is the second statement saying?
B is the sister of C.
Correct. So it means B is female now.
Yes.
And it is sister of C. But do I know the gender of C now? As of now? No. When I read the third statement, then only I will get to know. Okay, so what is third statement?
C is the father of D.
C is father of D. So C is father of D. C is male. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Do I know the gender of D now?
No.
No.
So since we do not know the gender of D, we cannot say whether he is brother or sister or nephew, because the question is saying how is D related to A. So
Okay.
knowing the gender, you cannot answer is
They cannot be determined.
Yes.
right.
Yes.
Did you
Yes.
get it?
9.
So knowing the gender is very important. Okay, if I change the question now, I say that how is A related to D? How is A related to D? Now what will be the answer? They are asking how is A related to D, not D related to A.
Uncle.
Uncle, perfect. Now A is uncle to D. We do not care whether D is male or female, but A is definitely uncle to that person, right?
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me if you have any doubt.
No.
No doubt, right?
Yes.
So everyone got it? That how to do this type of question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's see one more question on this.
A is uncle.
Please mute your mic. If you're not answering to me, please mute your mic.
Okay.
A is uncle
Please,
of
all of you
D.
turn off your video. Turn off your video because that's why your network is slow. Turn off your video. Turn off your video. Yes, please turn off your video so that audio will become clear to you. All right. Okay, let me write one more question here. I think everyone is now on mute. All right, perfect. Okay, I'm writing a question. It's a very easy question. Try to do it. If A plus B means A is the brother of B. So this syntax meaning this. If plus sign is there, it means this person is brother of the second person. Okay. A minus B means A is the sister of B. Okay, so A minus B means this. A into B means A is the father of B, and so these conditions are given to you. If plus sign is there, it means brother. If minus sign is there, it means sister. If multiplication sign is given, it means father. So you need to find which of the following means that C is the son of M. Options. I'll give you options. Option A, M minus N into C plus F. Second statement, F minus C plus N into M. Third statement, N plus M minus F into C. Fourth statement, M into N minus C plus F. Okay, so given these conditions, you have to pick the right answer. So for this, you have to draw. You have to write on copy on your copy with the help of a pen. You have to make each statement and work on it. So write down first statement, write down second statement, third and fourth, and then work on it. First of all, note down the question. Please note down the question, everyone. Note down the question with options. Absolutely, Idris. Your answer is correct. Very good. Everyone note down the question, then work on each of the options. Yes. Nihila. Yes, Nihila, your answer is correct. Very good. Anyone else? Simon, your answer is absolutely correct. Abdul, your answer is also correct. Arva, your answer is not correct. Check again. You'll get it definitely. Try it one more time. Yes, Mohammed. Your answer is absolutely correct. Okay, let me help you how to solve it. Okay. Yes. No. The not correct. Okay, let me help you. Yes, I'll explain it. Wait a minute. So, okay, so this is our question, right? This is the question. Now I will work on each option. Okay, so let's work on the first option. First option is m minus n into c plus f. Okay, so I will take two at a time, first two. So m minus n. Now go to the question data point. What is the data point given to you? What is minus sign? Is sister of. Okay, so it means m is sister of n. Okay, so this is female sister of n. Okay, n multiplied c. N into c means n is father of c. So male. Okay, c plus f. C plus f means c is brother of f. So it means n is father of this both the children, right? Because he is brother, right? So what is asked to you in the question, that c is son of m. Is c son of m? No, right? Because this is what? M minus n means sister. So it means this person is sister, this person is brother. So m is aunt of f, correct? M is not son of c. C is son of M. So C is not son of M here. So first option is wrong. Okay, let's go to the second option. What is the second option? F minus C plus N into M, right? Okay, let's work on it. F minus C means F is sister of C.
C.
Female and sister. Okay. C minus N means C is brother of N. So this person is male. Okay. N into M means N is father of M. But what are they asking you in the question? That C is son of M. Here also C is not son of M. So second option is also wrong. Okay, let's work on third option now. What is third option? N plus M minus F into C. So N plus M means N is brother of M, male, brother. M minus F. M minus F means M is sister of F. So female. Okay. So sister. Okay. F into C means F is father of C. Correct? Right? So it means C is son of F, but this person is sister. So from here, M is aunt of C. Correct? Not C is not son of M. The question is asking C is son of M. Okay, so let's work on fourth option. M into N minus C plus F. Okay, M into N means M is father of N. Correct? M is father of M into N means M is father of N. So male. Okay. N minus C. N minus C means N is sister of C. So female. Okay. C plus F. What is C plus F means? C is brother of F. So it means male. So it means M has 3 children, N, C, and F. C is son of M. Correct? So from fourth option, we can say that C is son of M. Right? So correct answer is option 4. Right? Do you get it? How to solve this type of question? Is it clear to you now, Mohammed? You were asking for explanation? Yes, right. Yes, all right. Okay, so this type of question. So we have done 2 questions in blood relation now. One is, this is a statement based. These type of questions are called statement based. Directly, they will give you statements like this. First, second statement, third statement. On the basis of that, you have to solve the question. The second type, the type of question we did now, this one. This type of questions are called symbol based, or you can say expression based. So there are symbols involved in it, plus sign, minus sign, into sign. They can give you extra data, divide sign, right? So these are called symbol based expressions. All right. So we have seen 2 type of question in blood relation. One is statement based and another is symbol based or expression based. Seating arrangement also we have seen 2 type of questions are there. We have not done circular arrangement. We will do it when we will do this topic in detail. So sitting arrangement is also of 2 types, linear sitting arrangement and circular sitting arrangement. Okay. Third is direction sense. Okay, let's see what is direction sense. Okay, so actually this is the most easiest topic. The most easy topic is direction sense. Okay, let me give you example. Direction. Okay, so I hope all of you know basic. Yes. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, tell me.
I am joining a new class today. Which ones are you teaching from which website or which book?
Which book? I'll suggest you. At the end of the class, I will tell you. All right, don't worry about it. I will tell you everything from where you have to study, what topics you have to study, and everything. For now, focus on
Ma'am, I
this.
also need study materials.
I'll provide you study materials as well. For now, focus on this. So this is your exam pattern.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So I will take care of your quantitative aptitude. All these topics I will do in each class, like one class for each topic, or even two class for each topic. So we don't have to worry, or we don't have to hurry. Each topic will be explained to you in detail. Okay. And these are logical reasoning questions. For now, we are learning direction sense. All right now. All right. Okay. Yes. So I was talking about direction sense. Yes, Abdul, I will give you that also. Last year paper, previous year exam papers also be given to you, and you can practice on that. Okay. But that will be done after some classes, right? Once some portion of your syllabus is over, then we will introduce you to the last year exam papers so that you can work on it. Okay. Okay, so yes, I was talking about direction sense. So I hope all of you know that top always considered as north and this as south. This side is east and this side is west, right? North, south, and right hand side east, and then left hand side west. Okay, and this is your northeast. This is your southeast. This is your southwest. This is your northwest, right? Okay. Now, on the basis of this, I will give you a question. Okay, note down this diagram, everyone. Please note down this diagram because this diagram will help you to solve the question. Done noting?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Done. Okay, so yes, I was telling you a question on direction sense. A man walks 5 kilometers towards south. Okay, and then turn to the right. After walking 3 kilometers, he turns to the left and walks 5 kilometers. Now, in which direction is he from the starting point? Option A, west. Option B, south. Option C, north. Option D, southwest. Draw the diagram and get the answer. Absolutely correct answer, Abdul. Nihila, you check your answer again. A man.
Answer is
Wow.
not C.
Sorry.
Answer
Somebody
is
was.
not.
Answer is?
It is north. C.
Not.
No. Think again.
Yeah.
First, solve it. Draw the diagram. Solve it. No, Arwa. Check again.
It is C.
Check again. A man walks 5 kilometers towards south. Okay, so let's say this is his starting point. Okay, I'm making this as a starting point. So he's walking 5 kilometers south. Okay, 5 kilometers this direction, right? Then he turned to right. Now tell me which side will be the right? His right. Okay, he's walking like that downwards. So what will be his right? This side will be his right, yes or no? Tell me. This side will be his right. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. He walked 3 kilometers. And then he turned left. So this will be his left now. So he walked 5 kilometers. Right? So they are asking you in which direction he is from the starting point. So which direction is this? Tell me, think. What direction is this? Go to your diagram and check. This direction, like this. What is this direction? Check in your diagram.
West.
Southeast.
Southwest, now this direction, this side.
Southwest.
Correct? Southwest.
Yeah.
Okay, so from here, from starting point, this side he is looking, correct? They are asking you which direction he is from. He is now from the starting point. So from starting point, you have to see this side. So that is southwest. Correct answer is option D. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see one more example like this. Okay, let me show you one more example. Just hold on a second, I'll give you example. Here is the question. Can you see the question? Okay, try to solve this question. I'll be back after drinking water. I'm taking a. Yes, Neela, your answer is correct. Yes, Hassan, your answer is also correct. Yes, Abdul, your answer is correct. Everyone is getting the correct answer, right? Shahadat, check your answer again. You might have done some slight issue over there. Yes, Idris, I'll do that. Note down this. Okay, back to the question. Rasik walked 20 meters towards north. So let's make a starting point here. This is the starting point. He walked 20 meters north. So 20 meters north, this direction. Okay. Then he turned right and walked 30 meters. Okay. So 30 meters. Sorry for bad handwriting. 30 meters on this direction. Then he turned right and walked 35. So this up to here 20 and another 15. Okay, so 35. Okay. Then he turned left. So now in this direction he is going. So what will be his left? This side. He turned left and walked 15 meter. Okay. Then finally he turned left and walked 15 meters. This direction. Right? They are asking you how many meters he is from the starting position. Okay, so if I want to complete this diagram, I will complete this rectangle. Correct? So if this is 20, this will also be 20. If this is 35, so this remaining will be 15. This is how much? 30 here, so same 30 rectangle. And this is another 15. So from starting point, this finishing point, this is your finishing point. So 30 plus 15, 45. And what is this direction? What direction is this?
East.
East, correct. So 45 meter east, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
so these are the easiest question. Direction sense is the easiest topic. You will never get any wrong answer in the direction sense if you practice enough. Okay, so direction sense is all about practice. Okay, direction is practice, and then blood relation is also easy. Blood relation is also all about practice. So if you practice 50 questions on both the topic, you will definitely get the right answer in the exam. 50 for direction, 50 for blood relation. Practice enough, you will get the right answer. Okay, let's see what other topics we have. So we have seen sitting arrangement, blood direction, blood relation and direction. Series and sequencing. Okay, let me give you a very easy example of series and sequencing. Find what number will be here. Think. This is a series given to you. Try to understand what is happening in the series and then tell me what number will be there in the last position.
28.
Very good, everyone. Very good. It was very simple question. What you have to do? Plus 6, plus 6, plus 6. So plus 6. So you will get 28. So this type of question you will get in series, right? Okay, let me give you one more example. Now I'm trying to make it slightly harder. This was very easy. Only plus 6 you have to do. Okay, let me make it slightly tough. Fill in the blanks. Now tell me what number I should write there. Not very tough. Think. If you think properly, you will get the right answer. Okay, hint is something is multiplied and something is added. Okay, so not only addition is not working here, multiplication is also there. Nihila, your answer is wrong by only some number. You're very close to the answer. Very close to answer. Very good, Samba. You got it right. Absolutely right. Now tell me what will be the number over there. Hassan, not correct. Nihila is still not correct. Think again. So what is the pattern? Can anyone tell me what is the pattern? Yes, Idris, you got the right answer. Absolutely
The
correct.
pattern, ma'am, is
Yes, Mugisha. Hamid is still not correct.
yeah.
Geometric.
Not necessarily. We will not
can
call
I
it
do the
geometric. Okay, wait a minute. Let me explain you. Geometric is only multiplication. Okay, geometric is only multiplication. Arithmetic means only addition. This is mixed. So this is into 5 plus 1, into 5 plus 1, into 5 plus 1. So into 5 plus 1. Do it now.
Yeah.
Absolutely correct. Now everyone is getting 781, right? 156 into 5 is 780. 780 plus 1 is 781, right? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me give you one more. Okay. Wait a minute, let me. Find this position. Slightly tricky, not very tricky, slightly tricky. Something into and I will give you one more question. Do the third one and do the fourth one. 7, 10, 8, 11, 9, 12. Fill in the blanks and fill in the blanks. 2 fill in the blanks in question number 4. There are 2 fill in the blanks. Try to do third one. How did I get? How will you get the answer for the third one?
Mom, can I go for the food?
Sorry?
Madam?
Yes, tell me.
For the food, you added 3 to 7, you gave 10, and you subtracted 2. So it's like the sequence is plus 3 minus 2.
Perfect, right, you got it. Do the third one. Nihila, your answer is absolutely correct. Yes, everyone is giving me answer for fourth one. Do the third one. Third one is interesting. Can anyone identify what is happening in third one? Into 2 plus 1. Into 3 plus 1. Into 4 plus 1. Into 5 plus 1. Into 6 plus 1. Got it? Now tell me the answer. What will be the answer? Two 06 into 6 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 7. Right? 1237. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Question number 4. Plus 3 minus 2. Plus 3 minus 2. Right? So, plus 3 minus 2 plus 3 minus 2 plus 3 minus 2 plus 3. So 10 and 13 are the correct answer. Right?
Yes, madam.
Oh, absolutely correct. Okay, let's see a few more questions on this. This is easy and you will quickly learn this. "36, 34, 30, 28, 24. What will be the next number? Question 1. Question 2. "22, 21, 23, 22, 24, 23. This. Okay, let's do this two first.
First one is 22, ma'am.
First one is
22.
22. Yes, absolutely correct.
Second one is 25.
Yes, very good. So can anyone tell me what is happening in the first series?
25.
First series, what is happening? Tell me the logic of first one.
Minus 2.
Minus 2, minus 4. Minus 2, minus 4, correct? From here to here, minus 2. Here to here, minus 4. Then minus 2, then minus 4. Now it should be minus 2. So answer is 22. Tell me what is happening in the second series?
Minus 1 plus 2.
Minus 1 plus 2, correct. Minus 1
Plus 2.
plus 2 minus 1 plus 2
1 plus 2
minus 1
minus 1
plus 2.
plus 2. 25.
Correct. Absolutely correct. Okay. So now you understood that how series is very easy, right? Series is the easiest one. But you have to think, because sometimes they might give you something complex. Okay, let me give you an example of how they can do it. So let's say they will give you a question like this. This they can ask you.
+9.
Yes,
Plus
Simon.
9.
Yes, Hamid. Yes, Nihila, your answer is correct.
90.
Arva, yes, yes, correct. Please mute yourself and type your answer. Please, everyone mute yourself. Mute yourself and write down the answer in the comment section, in the chat box. Yes, Fatima, absolutely correct. Arva, yes, correct. So 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square, and 10 squares. 10 square is 100. Right? All right. Okay, let's.
Two. Three. 5, 17, 11, 13, 15.
These two questions. Question number 1 and question number 2.
The first one is 50. Next number.
1 square. This is 1 square plus 1. 2 square plus 1. 3 square plus 1. 4 square plus 1. 5 square plus 1. 6 square plus 1. 7 square plus 1. Yes, all of you are giving me the correct answer. Answer is 50. Yes.
50. Then this one is 1 square.
Please mute yourself and then do the question.
1 square. 3 square. 5 square plus 3. 8 square plus 1. Is the 1 square? 7. 27. 19.
Anyone correct answer? Sure about it? 1 cube plus 1, 2 cube plus 2, 3 cube plus 1, 4 cube plus 1, 5 cube plus 1. Yes or no? 1 cube plus 1, 2 cube plus 1, 3 cube plus 1, 4 cube plus 1. So 5 cube plus 1. What is 5 cube? 5 into 5 into 5?
120.
125 plus 1.
126.
126. Right? 126 is the right answer. Okay, let me give you one more example. 2, 5, 4, 10, 6, 15, 8, 20, 10. Find the next two numbers. Next two numbers of this series.
3, 4. Thank you.
Yes, Hamid, absolutely correct. Yes, Marine, correct. Order. Your order is not correct. Simon, yes, next two number you have to tell me. What will be the first number and what will be the second number? Order. Tell me in the correct order.
What?
Yes, correct. Yes, Asif. Now order is correct. Timat, check
Is,
your order.
25.
Yes.
No.
Please mute yourself. You can type your
The
answer. Please mute yourself. So this type of series are called mix of two series. What is happening here? Two different series are mixed. One series is this 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and this position will get 12. But this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So you have to mark the correct option. You cannot mark 12, 25. That will be wrong. You have to mark 25, 12. So the order is important. First 25 will be there and then 12 will be there, right? Therefore, order is important, right? Okay, so let's go back to our date. This one. So we have sitting arrangement, blood relation, direction sense, series and sequencing, syllogism. That verbal teacher will teach you. Venn diagram, I will teach you. Ranking, puzzles, coding and decoding. Okay, let's quickly see coding and decoding and some questions on puzzles. Okay. But before that, all of you take a screenshot of this page. Okay, take a screenshot of this page or image of this page. This is your entire syllabus. You should be carefully noting all the syllabus. This entire thing you have to study, right? Note this down. Attendance. Okay, let me check what is about attendance. Let me check that. Okay, so first of all, note this down. I will take care of the attendance. But logical reasoning, if you look into the logical reasoning part, you have done pretty well. Yes, all of you have done all the questions of series and sequence. Direction sense also easy. Blood relation also we have done of 2-3 question. You gave me the right answer. Sitting arrangement also looks easy. So this part is a scoring part. You will get a good marks from this section. So aim that out of this 25 question, you will do at least 20 question correct, right? And you will get 1 minute to solve each question. So you will have ample amount of time to solve logical reasoning question. 1 minute is more than sufficient, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So logical reasoning is very, very easy part. We will give you all the details. Don't worry about that. That what is the passing score? We will tell you that. Exam will be somewhere in the month of July. The notification is still not out. Okay, so we have to wait for the notification. Once the notification is out, we will help you with everything. We will tell you how to fill the exam form and everything. So don't worry about that.
Ma'am, any negative marking on
There's no
exam?
negative marking. That's the best thing of this exam is that, for example, let me tell you. Let's say there's a question, right? There's a question, and you are not able to, you are not able to find out what is the correct answer. But you have idea that it can be either B or C. So at least mark the answer, whatever you feel like, whether it's B or C, please mark the answer because there is no negative marking. So anyway, you will have to mark all the answers, no negative marking. Okay. All right. Tima, don't worry. This is only the introductory session. We have not done anything in detail. We were just discussing the kind of question comes in each topic. Okay. So from the next class, when we will deep dive into each topic individually, we will cover everything. Yes, full exam will be multiple choice question. So that's the best thing. You don't have to write the answer. Nihila, that you will get to know. I still have no idea that I will figure out and tell you all your answers, all your queries will be solved in the next class. Okay. So whatever questions you have, you write it down in today in chat box. In the next class, I will tell you answer for everything. But one thing is there that there is no negative marking. All right. Okay, let's quickly look into what type of question it was through that I need to find out. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, this video will be uploaded on YouTube, right? Yes. Yes, go ahead and ask me the question.
Open a WhatsApp group, give the PDF format to the group you are teaching every day. It is good to give us revision like last year.
Okay. So you guys have already a WhatsApp group? Do you have a WhatsApp group of all the students? No, not yet. Okay, so in the next class, we'll make that.
Okay, ma'am, please give me a WhatsApp group link.
Yes, I will make the group and give the link to you. All right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so yes, I was talking about coding and decoding. Coding and decoding. Okay, so the question is, if cow is coded as DPX, how dog will be coded as? If cow is coded as COW is coded as DPX, how DOG dog will be coded as?
CNF.
Write it down, please do not say. Write it down the chat box. Some of you are only one person has given the right answer. Only one person. Yes, now you're getting the correct answer. Everyone is giving me the correct answer. Absolutely correct. So what is there? Very simple. C is written as the next letter. Correct? C becomes D. O becomes P. Next letter of O. W become X. Next letter of W. So what is the next letter of D? E. What is the next letter of O? P. What is the next letter of G? H. So answer is EPH, right? Everyone got it? So this type of question will be asked in coding and decoding. Let me give you one more example. Just give me a minute. I'll give you one more question. Try to do that. SCD, TEF, UGH, empty space, WKL. You need to find which of the option fits in that place. Tell me which option will be there.
CMN.
Mute it, mute yourself and write in the comment section.
C.
C. The correct answer is
Yes,
C.
correct answer is option C. How did you get it? Tell me, very simple.
The first one is S.
Correct. S, T,
And then
U,
U.
it should be starting with V. Okay, now option A eliminated, option B eliminated, option D eliminated. Only one option is correct. You don't even have to solve the entire question. Understand this thing, that you can eliminate option. The good thing about multiple choice question is eliminate options and then work on it. So I don't even have to check C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. I know it will be I, J, but why do I have to solve it? I will just check the options first, that which option is starting with V. Only one option is starting with V, so I will eliminate all the other options and mark the correct answer, right? So this technique also we will learn. Any doubt, anyone in this question? Anyone has any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Right? So from this question, we understood one thing, that elimination of options is very important thing. So whenever you read the question, and once you read the question, you understand something from that question, okay? And then on the basis of that, eliminate options, correct? Right. Okay. So we have seen questions on coding and decoding as well. So these are the type of question you will see in coding and decoding. So all right, guys, from the next session, we will dive into each topic individually. So today I give you the overall idea, right? This is not a class on any one topic. It was an overall class, introductory class, that what all topics we are going to study in the entire series, right? Okay. So please, all of you, note down these topics, and then on each topic you will have one, sometimes two, sometimes three classes as well, depending
Please
on the.
show it clearly, ma'am. It's showing.
Wait, I'll do that. I'll erase this and show it to you.
Ma'am,
Yes. Wait, I'm just doing that. Wait a minute, I'm not able to share my screen. What is the issue? Yes, I can share the screen now. Okay, did you see it now? Yes, Nihila, this is free of cost.
ma'am, who is ones are you teaching from, whose website or whose book?
Sorry, can you type in? I'm not able to hear you properly. So can you write it in the comment section?
Okay.
So all of you can see the screen now. All the topics are visible to you. Yes, all right. So I will take care of your quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning. Okay. It's not visible. Let me zoom it. Is it visible now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. All right. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining today. From the next class, we will do each topic individually. All right. and all your queries will be solved in next 2-3 sessions. Okay, so I will talk to the concerned person that whether we can make a WhatsApp group so that all your doubts will be cleared, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so
Ma'am.
much.
Thank
you, ma'am.
Thank you everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Ma'am,
Have a
from
nice week.
whose book are you teaching? Please give me.
These are my own questions. So whatever questions we did today, I just created it at the spot. But I will tell you which book to follow. Okay, in the next class, I'll give you data of that. All right. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Bye. Take care.
Bye bye.